if the storage of your iPhone is full. So in this video, I will give you a solution for this problem. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General settings, just tap on iPhone storage. Now from here, you can check the storage of your iPhone and you can check what type of data is consuming the most storage. Now to free up some storage, first of all, under recommendations, your iPhone will give you recommendations to free up some storage or to optimize the use of the storage on your iPhone. For example, if all of your photos are saved on your iPhone, it will give you the recommendation to upload all your photos and videos to the iCloud, and it will save a smaller size version of the photos and videos on your iPhone to free up some storage. Now to use or enable these recommendations, just tap on Enable in front of each recommendation. As you can see, we also have the recommendation to offload an app on our iPhone, which we have not been using for a while. Now this was the first method. Now for the second method, just scroll down. Now from here, just select the app which is using the most storage. For an example, I will select the Messages app. Now you have the option to delete the data within the Messages app. For an example, if you tap on Photos, you will find all the photos which you have shared in the Messages app. Now just tap on Edit, and from here just select the photos which you want to delete from here. After you select the photos, then tap on Delete, and you will delete the selected photos from your Messages app. Now if you have also shared other files like videos in the Messages app, you will be able to delete them from here. Now for the third method, just go back, and from here just select any app which you have not been using for a while. For example, I will select this app. Now you will be able to tap on Offload, then select Offload. Now what this will basically do is that it will delete the app from your iPhone, but it will store the data of the app in your iPhone storage. Now by doing that, you will free up some storage on your iPhone, and if you decide to use the app again, you can download it again from the App Store and all your data will not be deleted. Now as you can see, I have offloaded the selected app. Now if I go to the home screen and if I try to open the app, as you can see, it is available in the app library, but if I tap on it, it will start downloading the selected app, and its data will not be deleted. But if you want to free up more storage, then just go back to Settings and delete the selected app. And by doing that, you will completely delete the selected app from your iPhone. Now the last thing you can do is just go to your home screen and open the Photos app. Now if you're on the library section, just go to Collections, and under Collections, just tap on Utilities, and from here just tap on Duplicates. And from here you will find the photos which are duplicated on your iPhone. Now just tap on Merge, and your iPhone will merge the selected photos. Just like that. Now you can do this manually, or you can tap on Select All, then tap on Merge. And by doing that, you will merge all the photos in the Duplicate section. And this is how you can fix the storage full problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.